have 6 candidates who every one of them has been and is a credit to this movement.
Votes. Comrade Angela Brown Burke received 1,577 votes. Comrade Philip Paulwell received 1,645 votes. Comrade Kenneth Wickham McNeil received 1,766 votes. Comrade Michael Phillips received 1,782 votes. And Comrade Damian Crawford has received 1,973. The 4 vice presidents who have been elected are Comrades Damian Crawford, Michael Phillips, Wickham McNeil, and Philip Paulwell. Comrades, we have run a very good vice presidential campaign. You have conducted yourselves with dignity and decorum. We want to congratulate all 6 comrades who have run a fantastic race, and to say to your comrades, we remain one party, united in our objectives. Thank you very much for the way you have conducted this campaign.